George. Welcome to my channel. Hello, what's up guys? Today is Oreo's first walk outdoor.
This is a flower. Hello, Oreo. Oreo. It's first time to walk nicely with Daddy, Mommy, and George. Come on, move forward. You happy?
Yes. Oreo was a bit scared at first, but at the same time, he is very excited too.
Don't be scared. It's okay.
There's a box. He is very curious about the surroundings. The noise from cars, the grass, and the people as well.
Hello. Do you want to hold him?
No.
Huh? That's you. Come on, hold him.
I am very happy to hold and walk Oreo.
Oops. Oh, not too long, George. It's too long now. It's okay. Daddy's there. We need to stop. He's following Daddy. Don't worry. It's okay.
It's so cheeky and adorable. Oh, Oreo, I love you so much.
You tired now, mister? Oh, he loves walking. He loves walk. Oh, no rubbish. What are you eating?
He's eating leaves.
Come on, Oreo. Hold on.
Come on.
Oh, that's it. Okay, George, you can have it. Come this way, Oreo.
Yeah.
This way.
Okay.
George.
Go on. Which way are you going?
It's okay.
Come on. Going forward.
Come on. Come on.
Go on.
Come on, you two.
Yeah. Forward. Walk. 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 Keep him away from the mud, George.
This way, this way.
Come this way. Come this way.
There we go. Go. Stop walking and then cross.
No cars? Are there cars, George?
No.
Let's go.
Always look.
Side by side. Ah,
Ew.
there we go.
Ew. I smell poo.
Yes. Some dog.
It's really good with this one now. Hmm? He's so excited. He's just hyper. Not on the puddle, George.
No.
Keep him away from the puddle, George. Come this way.
Good boy.
This way. Good boy.
Oh, where are we going now? Stop, George. Stop. Go straight there with Daddy. Go on. Careful. Hold on. There we go. Let's rest for a little bit. He must be tired. Hello?
I need to lie.
Come on, let's go.
You got him? Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Oh yeah.
Okay, you need to be very, very careful. We're crossing the road
Give
now.
him while we cross the road.
Give it to Daddy because we're crossing the road.
To learn.
Wait.
It was a memorable day for all of us. We look forward for more walks and adventures together.